Have you ever wished you could turn simple ideas, or even your child's drawings, into a real illustrated storybook in just minutes? Or maybe you want to create beautiful children's storybooks and sell them online for income. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful AI tool inside Google Gemini called Gemini Storybook, and how complete beginners can use it to create amazing illustrated storybooks, coloring books, and learning books with zero design skills. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create AI storybooks step by step, use images, text, or PDFs to build stories, choose illustration styles, and even turn them into printable or sellable books. So let's start building your first AI storybook. Step 1. What is Gemini Storybook? Gemini Storybook is a feature inside Google Gemini that lets you turn text prompts into full storybooks, add your own images or drawings, upload PDFs or notes, choose illustration styles like cartoon, clay, or soft art, and generate a full 10-page story automatically. It basically works like your personal AI children's book creator. And the best part? You don't need writing skills or design experience. Step 2. How to access it. To start, open Google Gemini, look for Storybook or Gems section, select Storybook tool, and now you're ready to create your first book. Simple as that. Step 3. Create your first storybook, basic prompt. Now let's create a simple storybook. You just need a clear prompt, like this. Example prompt. Create a storybook about a smart puppy named Bingo who solves mysteries in a small town. One day, all the toys disappear from the town and everyone is worried. Bingo follows clues, interviews animals, and discovers a clever raccoon hiding them. Make the illustration style bright cartoon detective style with magnifying glass effects. Now, click Generate. What happens next is amazing. Gemini builds a full story, adds characters, creates pages automatically, and designs illustrations for each scene. You just sit back and watch your book being created. Step 4. Understand your storybook output. Once your story is ready, you will see a full illustrated storybook, around 12 to 14 pages, clickable pages to turn like a real book, optional audio narration. You can click next or previous pages, listen to the story being read aloud, go full screen for viewing, or share it with others using a link. Warning: important. You cannot edit individual words directly. You must regenerate if needed. Step 5. Change style for better results. Style is very important if you want professional-looking books. You can try bright cartoon style, best choice, claymation style, fun and 3D look, soft watercolor style, emotional stories, bright educational style, learning books. Example, if you want a calming bedtime story, use soft watercolor style. If you want viral kids content, use bright cartoon style. Step 6. Use images or PDFs to create stories. Now here's the powerful part. You can also upload photos, drawings, PDFs, notes, or educational content. Example, upload a picture of clouds and rain and write, "Create a storybook for a 7-year-old explaining the water cycle. The main character is a water droplet named Dave. Use bright cartoon style." Now, AI turns learning into a fun story. This is perfect for educational content, kids' learning books, school projects, and YouTube story videos. Step 7. How to earn money with this. Now let's talk about money. You can use these AI storybooks to 1. Sell on platforms, Amazon Kindle eBooks, Etsy printable books, Gumroad digital downloads. 2. Create YouTube content, kids' story narration videos, AI bedtime stories, educational animations. 3. Print coloring books. Download printable version, sell as PDF coloring books online. One simple idea. Create 10 AI stories, turn it into a bundle, and sell as Kids Storybook Pack. Step 8. Important tips for best results. Before you start creating, remember, be clear in your prompt. Always mention age, like for 5 to 7-year-olds. Add story style, cartoon, soft, fun. Include a main character name. Keep ideas simple but creative. If results are not perfect, just rewrite and try again. Final outro. And that's how you can create amazing AI storybooks using Gemini Storybook, even if you are a complete beginner. You can now turn ideas, images, or learning topics into beautiful illustrated books that can also help you earn online. If you want, I can also help you with viral story ideas, YouTube scripts for kids' stories, or prompts that sell on Amazon Kindle. Just tell me.